Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix add music to profile is not showing here on Instagram. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, the easiest fix for this is just go ahead and open up the app itself. Now go ahead over to your profile at the bottom right, tap on it. Now go ahead and go to the top and tap on your profile once more. Okay. Tap on it. And here you should be able to see the three horizontal lines. Now tap on it. Scroll down until you find for professional section. Okay. The reason why we're in here is that we will need to change our profile into a personal profile because this issue only occurs when you have a professional or business account. Okay. So to go to a standard account or a personal account, just go ahead over to Business Tools and Controls, tap on it, scroll all the way down until you find Switch Account Type. Okay, just tap on it, and here just tap on Switch to Personal Account. Tap on it, and here just tap the red Switch to Personal Account button. Tap on it, wait for it to load, as you can see here. Just wait for it. It might take some time, but rest assured that the issue will be fixed. All right, it says here switch to personal account. So just go ahead and test it out. For example, I'm going to go ahead and add a reel. I'm going to use my camera like so. I'm just going to record it. And then as you can see here, we now have the function to add music. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.